Welcome to the channel. So if you're looking for ways to JAPA or to travel, you're in the right place. Today we're bringing you opportunities or offers to study in France and Italy. With the appointment and visa difficulties at the Polish embassy, I've been looking for opportunities, I've been looking for alternatives, and I finally found other alternatives for you. Okay, this is why you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because this might be that opportunity you can use to finally move abroad this year 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video to stay updated. Now let's talk about studying in France and Italy. Quick facts. Admission is almost guaranteed. There is full refund of tuition fee in case visa is denied, of course minus the bank charges. As per the information I had, and the person who told me about it is in the building, and I'm going to be asking him a couple of questions. Okay, so make sure you stay to the end of the video, because towards the end I'm going to be asking him a couple of questions and he's going to be answering you. Another thing is that admission is on a rolling basis, which is first come, first serve. The required document includes international passport data page, passport photograph on a white background, preferably, O-level result. For those who are from Nigeria, it can be your WAEC or NECO. For those from other countries, this is your high school result or diploma. I would advise you to legalize this result at the Ministry of Education and or Foreign Affairs in your country or the country where you got this diploma from. Now this is a requirement for those who are applying for bachelor's degree. For those applying for master's degree, now it's going to be your bachelor's degree, okay, that you need to legalize in the country where you got it from. A written agreement is going to be signed before beginning the process. This is to establish trust. So if you're not serious, please don't contact us. And also, this legal agreement is to protect and give peace of mind to you and also to those processing the admission. At least after signing the agreement, you can be rest assured that we will deliver. What I've talked about so far is regarding the opportunities in France and Italy. That is the study opportunity. Okay, if you haven't liked this video, please click on the like button to support this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. There is visa support for all the opportunities I've talked about. There is visa support from the person handling it. An agreement will have to be signed by both parties as well. I'm going to be asking our guest, which is the person who told me about these offers. Okay, I'm going to be asking him questions. Disclaimer, this video is for informational purpose. Always confirm details from official sources and websites. Okay, and please, we do not issue visas. We only guide the process legally. Please be cautious and be informed. So now we're going to be asking our guests some questions. Okay, make sure you pay attention. Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, thank you for having me today.
So the first question is, how did you come across this opportunity?
Yeah, I come across this opportunity with the help of some companies over there. Yeah, I had contact with them, and I spoke with a couple of friends who are working for them and with them.
Okay. Have you been to any of those countries?
No, I've not been to any of those countries, no.
Okay, but those guys that you have a contact with, you know them very well?
Yeah, I know them very well because they are working there.
Okay. So the second question is, have any of your clients successfully secured these visas?
Depending if you ask about Bulgaria anyway. No, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just an information I brought to you.
Okay, so you just started for the first time?
No, I just brought the information to you in case if you have opportunity or if you have the opportunity.
Okay. You sent me a couple of documents. I guess that's the work permit for people you did for Bulgaria.
Yeah, we're waiting down the line for the appointment date.
Okay, their work permit has been secured already?
Yeah, it has been secured and the verification has been done.
Okay, all right. Okay, so next question is, what common mistakes should applicants avoid?
The common mistake applicants should avoid is to avoid people that will always tell you that visa is 100% guaranteed.
Okay.
Yeah, it's only the consulate or the ambassador that has the right to say that.
Okay.
Yeah. And also avoid the people that will give you hope.
False hope.
False hope. Yeah. And again, people that will not help you to make the verification of the documents. Yeah, also try to avoid them. If they can't guide you or even do it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, try to avoid such because when you do such document, you should be able to help the applicants to make the verification. If you don't want to do it, the client want to do it, you can still guide the applicant in doing the verification. It's very, very important, because without the verification, there is no way you could know that the document is let's say legal or valid.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no. I think the verification is enough reason for you to see that yes, this is really what we said it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for answering that question. So I'm just telling you as a brother, okay, please make sure you pray about everything that you hear, and don't just jump into things without making proper inquiries, praying, and also doing your own due diligence to research. Final question for you: can you share a personal success story? You also help people in getting jobs here in Poland to be able to use it to relocate. So have you had any success story? If yes, please, can you share just one briefly?
I tried always to play a part in some people's success. Any person I meet along the way, the life is like a journey. When you meet people, you try to play your own part. So I've played a very good role in some people. Try to be nice to people for them to at least reach to some destination or some goals of in life. I think I've helped quite a lot of people. Yeah. Which you also know. Some of them you know them. Yes.
Okay.
You know some of the people. I don't know what experience you mean. How
I know one person before he arrived here. The other person, it was just online. Like he saw my video regarding the opportunity and he contacted me.
Yeah. Also, something like this. Also, you could also see the video today and you contact him.
Yeah, the videos are there. Videos regarding Poland work permit, they are there on my channel. So after watching this, ensure that you watch those ones.
Also, this one you can still contact him tomorrow about it.
Yeah, sure. I'm coming to that. I have sorry for cutting you short, but okay. I have my own personal success story. I'm not going to share it in this video. So I've made a couple of videos about that, like how I came to Poland, the visa process, how I got my first job, and other things. So I have that video there already on my channel, and also I have a video, like 2 series, where I talked about how I moved from the trenches to Europe. So ensure that you watch those videos as well after watching this one, okay? And if you're interested in this opportunity, please drop your comments and questions in the comment section, and also you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to be dropping links to my handles or the usernames of my handles in the description under this video, so ensure that you do the needful. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Alright, click on the like button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. And please share this video with your friends, and you can talk to me one-on-one. When you just drop a comment in the comment section, it's not like when me and you are talking. So if you want to talk to me, like you want to have my number and you want to talk to me, like maybe WhatsApp call or Zoom call, then you can book that service. The link is in the description under this video. All right. And if you need help in creating your own CV, okay, or you want to upgrade the one you have into a European standard CV, the link is also in the description under this video. Just go there, do the needful. And if you want to make flight reservation, also please write us on Instagram or Facebook, because we offer that service as well. All right, thank you for watching. Till we come your way again, have a great time. See you in our next video.